家好，我叫悠悠。今天我要给你读一个书叫《Pigs Make Me Sneeze: An Elephant and Piggie Book》by Mo Willems.
Pigs Make Me Sneeze: An Elephant and Piggie Book by Mo Willems. Gerald, boing, boing, boing. What do you want to do today? I want Yes? A what? A ball, a swim, a hat? Choo! Boing. Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Choo! I cannot stop choo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Huh? Choo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald... No, do not speak. It is too late. Choo. Goodbye. Gerald? Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. The end.
悠悠用英文打喷嚏怎么说
Sneeze, sneeze, sneeze.
发烧怎么说
Fever, fever, fever.
打寒战呢
Shiver, shiver, shiver.
咳嗽呢
Cough, cough, cough.
猫医生说大象有了 cold 是什么意思啊
感冒
流感呢
Flu.
cold 和 flu 有什么区别呀
Flu 会传染 Cold 不会传染
当我们打喷嚏时怎么能保护别人呢
Sneeze in your elbow. Achoo!